Welcome. I'm Amanda. Today, we'll discover how Microsoft Copilot, an AI-powered tool, can revolutionize the way manufacturing teams create and track key performance indicators, or KPIs, to drive operational excellence. Let's see how AI can make KPI design smarter, faster, and more impactful. KPIs are measurable values that track progress towards specific operational goals. In manufacturing, they're essential for monitoring productivity, quality, and efficiency. But designing the right KPIs is a real challenge. Teams face an overwhelming number of metrics, unclear definitions, inconsistent tracking, and manual data collection that eats up valuable time. Often, it's difficult to align these metrics with strategic goals, leading to confusion and missed opportunities for improvement. This is where generative AI like Microsoft Copilot steps in. Copilot analyzes your specific manufacturing process and goals to generate relevant metrics. It delivers complete KPI frameworks in minutes, not hours. And it provides formulas, thresholds, and monitoring strategies tailored to your needs. With Copilot, you get clarity, speed, and actionable insights, right when you need them. Let's look at a real-world scenario. In batch manufacturing, every batch goes through a documentation cycle. The process starts with production, followed by review, submission to quality assurance, corrections if needed, and final sign-off. The goal is to complete this entire cycle, from batch production to release, within 14 calendar days. This is a complex, multi-step process where delays can impact compliance and efficiency. Here is a detailed sample prompt for this scenario containing clear instructions and relevant details for AI to perform this task effectively. Let's see Copilot in action. With just a few clicks, Copilot processes our prompt and instantly generates a comprehensive KPI framework. This eliminates hours of manual work and ensures that the KPI is aligned with our process and goals. Notice how Copilot organizes the KPI design into clear sections. First, it provides a name and objective for the KPI, helping you understand what's being measured and why. Next, it outlines the formula, so you know exactly how to calculate the KPI. Then Copilot sets performance thresholds, making it easy to see when your process is on track or needs attention. Finally, it includes a monitoring strategy, offering guidance on how to track trends, investigate delays, and automate reporting. With this structured approach, Copilot doesn't just give you a KPI, it delivers a complete framework for monitoring and improving your process. Let's look at another example. Efficient equipment cleaning is crucial in manufacturing. It impacts production schedules, consumes costly solvents, and ensures product quality. Our goal is to develop KPIs to standardize and compare cleaning processes across our global network, optimizing both cost and operational efficiency. Here's a sample prompt that you can provide to Copilot for this scenario. Let's see how Copilot generates a structured output based on the provided prompt in just a click. To conclude, let's compare manual KPI design with Copilot-assisted design. Manual processes can take hours, with variable accuracy and limited customization. Copilot delivers results in minutes, with high accuracy, context-aware recommendations, and AI-enhanced insights. Microsoft Copilot transforms KPI design from a time-consuming task into a strategic advantage, making your manufacturing operations smarter and more agile. Thanks for watching.